Here's a problem related to this eSword program. I double click on the installation kit and it is not working. It says invalid drive H. And we have a finish button here. That is an external hard drive, that H. If I start the program from the start menu, because it's also installed, then I get the same message, invalid drive H. And this time it is showing that message multiple times. So the installation kit is not working, the installed version is not working. Now let's try to uninstall the program and search for it. There it is. Let's see, modify. It's showing the same error message. Okay, finish. Let's try to uninstall. And the same message, invalid drive H. So neither modify nor install it's working, and neither the installed version is working, and neither the installation kit is working. So what to do in this case? Come here to the start. Type in regedit. Come here to registry editor, current user, double click on it to open it. Come here to software, double click on it. So it's current user and software. Go down to this one, VB and VBA program settings, double click on it. And there's the eSword. Right click on that one and click delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete? Yes. Now you can close this window, regedit. And now if I go to the start menu and start the installed program, now it starts. That's just a firewall and the program is running. We can even maximize it and we can even close it. Now let's try the installation kit. Let's see how that behaves. And this time we have a next button. We can modify it, repair it and remove it. So next is available and it's not finish.